Hello, middle school, and welcome to today's assembly.
I'm Shiv, representing Cashel House from Madame Farki's advisory, and I'm the best MC ever. I'm better than you.
I'm Andrew, representing Peregrine House from Mr. Toa's advisory, and I'm the bestest MC ever.
We'll see about that.
Well, before we begin, we would like to welcome our at ASD students and students in the SH to Z group who are tuning in from home today.
To open our assembly, we have a performance from grade 8 student Audrey. Hope you enjoy it.
Now she's back in that atmosphere with drops of Jupiter in her hair. She acts like summer and she walks like rain. Reminds me that there is time to change it. Since the return of my stay on the moon, she listens like spring and she talks like June. Tell me, did you sail across the sun? Did you make it to the Milky Way to see the light so faded that heaven is overrated? Tell me, did you fall from a shooting star? One without a permanent scar? Or did you miss me while you were looking for yourself out there? Now she's back from that soul vacation and drifting away through the constellation. Now she's back from that atmosphere, afraid that she might think of me as plain old Jane's horror story about a man too afraid to fly, so she never did land. Tell me, did the wind sweep you off your feet? Did you finally get the chance to dance alone in the light of day? Head back to the Milky Way. Tell me, did Venus blow your mind? Was it everything you wanted to find? Or did you miss me while you were looking for yourself out there? Can you imagine no love, pride, deep pride, drinking your best friend always sticking up for you? Even when I know you're wrong, can you imagine no first dance, free drive, romance, vibe, our phone conversation, best soy latte that you'll ever had in me? But tell me, did the wind sweep you off your feet? Did you finally get the chance to dance along the line of day? Head back toward the Milky Way. Tell me, did you sail across the sun? Did you make it to the Milky Way to see the light so faded that heaven is overrated? Tell me, did you fall from a shooting star? One without a permanent scar? Or did you miss me while you were looking for yourself out there? Na, 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 na. Finally get the chance to dance along the light of day. Na, 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 na. And are you lonely, looking for yourself out there? Thank you.
I really enjoyed that. In fact, I've always loved the guitar.
No way. Why?
I don't know, they've just always struck a chord with me.
Very punny.
Well, before we proceed with today's assembly, which is all about keeping our community safe, we have a brief message from our middle school PTSA grants rep, Amalia from grade 7.
Hello everyone, my name is Amalia Goldman and I am the middle school representative for grants. What's a grant? A grant is a sum of money that you can apply for to make your bright idea for the school a reality. All you have to do to apply for a grant is to find a teacher to be your grant advisor, and then you need to fill out an application. If you want to apply for a grant, but you're not sure how to, you can fill out a quick questionnaire that will be sent to you soon, and then I will help to guide you through the process. These are a few things that grants have helped fund in the past. The new drinking fountains where you can both fill your water bottle and drink from them. Visiting musicians and authors, our recycling bins, musical instruments, iPads, PE equipment, a professional camera for the theater, items for the sustainable garden, and a welding pursuit for you guys to look out for. In case some of you don't know where the grant application form is, don't worry, it's very quick and easy to get there. First, go to ASD Bookmarks, and from there, go to ASD Go page. When you get to the ASD Go page, click Parent Organizations, then click PTSA. Once you get to PTSA, you'll see something that says Grants Program. Rest your mouse above that, on that, and then underneath you'll see Grants Application. Click that. Scroll down when you get to the Grants Application page and click Grants Program Application Form. When you're at the form, you just have to make a copy and then you can start filling out your form. We can't wait to see your grants idea. Remember, the grants team is here to help you if you need it. And remember, grant applications are due by January 30th. Bye!
Thanks, Amalia. We should never take the amazing facilities and resources we have access to at ASD for granted.
Very true, Shiv. Next up, we have a video presentation by a few grade 8 students to help remind us of the expectations around social distancing, hygiene, and keeping each other safe.
Please enjoy this video by Yasmina and Rita.
Hi, I'm Yasmina.
And I'm Rita. As you know, 2020 is not the best year,
And all the schools had to shut down.
but we are so excited to be back on campus.
The school is doing whatever they can to make sure all of us are safe. Of course, we do have some new guidelines just to keep everyone safe and to be able to continue face-to-face learning.
Let's remind everyone what some of the guidelines are.
Everyone in the community should practice social distancing.
Yasmina, is it hard for you to stay distant from your friends?
To be honest, it is, but we have to try our best to stay distant so that everyone can continue coming to school.
Please make sure that you are 1.5 meters away from other students.
When it is recess time, you are allowed to put down your mask, but please remember to stay 2 meters apart before doing so.
We know that it isn't easy, but please follow the guidelines because then you're protecting yourself and others.
Thank you so much for listening. Stay safe and be responsible. Bye!
That was very thought-provoking, Shiv.
Yes, but there's one loophole when it comes to masks.
What do you mean?
It's the one that goes around your ear. You got the joke, you got it.
Nice one, Shiv. How about we move on to our next speakers, Audrey and Celia, who are going to talk to us about Spirit Week and an idea some students came up with to promote keeping our community safe.
Hello, students and faculty. My name is Audrey.
And I'm Celia.
And today we are here to talk to you about how our school's been keeping safe during the pandemic.
We know you have done a wonderful job keeping our school safe, from wiping down desks to limiting physical contact, so much so that we're now able to have our first Spirit Week of the year.
From the 25th to the 28th of October, we'll be celebrating Halloween and our successful efforts in keeping the middle school safe.
Sunday, the 25th, will be a pajama day, where you can roll right out of bed and come to school. And Monday, the 26th, will be Character Day, where you can dress up as your favorite character from a book, movie, or TV show.
Tuesday the 27th will be House Color Wars, where every student will have the opportunity to earn house points based on how much of their house color they wear. And on Wednesday, house points will be awarded to the student who comes up with the most creative way to incorporate a mask into their Halloween costume.
We also have another contest to talk to you about. For any student who's interested, there will be a contest regarding posters, banners, and signs.
If you choose to participate, create a unique poster or sign regarding COVID and how our school's been staying safe. Submit a picture of it to a Google form that will be released soon. The art of the winners and runner-ups will be displayed throughout the halls of the middle school.
Thank you so much for helping keep our middle school safe.
And enjoy the rest of the assembly!
Wow, that was inspiring.
I know, this will remind us to keep our community safe at all times.
Last but not least, we have some house fun in store for you.
First off, you can get house points just for wearing your house shirts today.
Take a selfie with your laptop wearing your house shirt at any point today. You'll find a form in the student bulletin where you can upload your photo to your houses folder. The team with the most house shirt photos will win house point.
And for our main competition for today, please welcome Aiden Gers to explain the rules.
Thank you for watching today, and remember, keeping everyone safe is everyone's responsibility.
Take it away, Aiden.
Hello, middle school. Alexi, Armand, and I created a quizzes on COVID-19. We will have everyone enter their name and house when entering the game. The top 20 scores will get house points, and the first place will get a whopping 25 house points. I hope you enjoy the quiz, and most importantly, have fun.